Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Trickshots here, back at it again with another But seriously, I'm pretty angry because at maths, I'm just done. It's time for me to come forward with maths, because I think I need to rage about it a little bit and I need to get this off my system. So everyone knows who Bearded Goat is, right? The most hated teacher on the planet. Well, first I'm gonna rage about her for a little bit. So let's get into that. So we walk into the maths and Bearded Goat is just like, so does everyone remember their angles? Okay, so this angle is very nice, yes. No one gives one about maths, okay? No one is actually interested in your stupid angle. And there's gonna be that one person out there somehow is just like, actually, I enjoyed maths. How? How do you enjoy maths? In the middle of the lesson, she thought none of us understood, so she made us come up to the board. Well, not all of us, but some of us went up to the board and tried to demonstrate what we were doing. And then people obviously talking behind her back. She's just like, stop talking. You're obviously not interested in what we're doing. Of course we're not interested in what you're doing. And she generally enjoys maths as well. She generally thinks angles are interesting. And on those days where people are just like, oh, can we do something fun today? And then she replies, oh, maths is really fun. She's not joking, guys. She really thinks that. And next time she says that, I will rip her freaking beard off and make her eat it with ketchup, not normal ketchup, not nice ketchup, no, 50-day-old ketchup, which has been left on my bathroom floor with the heating on. And yes, she will eat it, otherwise I will kill her myself. But that's if she says maths is fun again, so don't worry. You still have a chance to live. I'll probably kill you anyway, but look, I hate you, so expect the worst from me. Another thing she did that made me really angry, I was just, Cheese Grater was just asking for some answers, I was giving him those answers, and then she went up to her and went, are we having a conversation? We're not allowed to have those in this class. Obviously, the first thing that went through my head is, what the frick did you just say? We're not allowed to have conversations. Are you just... I would have gotten up and just killed her right there, but I can't do that. And maths is one of the most depressing, most boring, most weird subjects ever, and we're not allowed to talk. Are you dumb? Well, clearly she is dumb, because literally when she's explaining something, every 5 seconds she sees one thing. She's a butterfly and she starts raging. If she sees one thing that moves, even when she's explaining something on the board, she would just be like,
that's a demerit.
Miss, you just spoke to an ant.
The frick did you just say to me? You will be demerited.
Okay, I'm sorry, miss.
So overall, she just needs to die, and we're moving on to the next part. And you know that picture that I literally just showed in the background? Well, I typed in maths to get that, and I was triggered as soon as I saw all the other pictures. Let's just have a look. Why is everything so colourful and happy? Am I the only one who finds maths like ultimate suffering? And guess what? This is what triggered me. Maths is fun. Really? It really isn't fun. I don't like finding the value of x off of some kind of motorbike. And maths teachers make it so weird. Like, if you don't get it, they'll be like, oh, you're gonna fail your GCSEs, bro, if you don't get this. Really? Look. I don't care if I fail my maths GCSEs, I'm never going to need this, ever, okay? When am I going to need to find the value of x in an angle? When am I going to measure an angle on my laptop? Jane went to the shop. Jane picked up an orange. She went home and made a graph on what the hell? Who makes the freaking textbooks as well? Who makes a graph on how many seeds are in 2 oranges per day on a weekly basis? And sometimes the teacher spots you using a calculator and it's just like, you don't need to use the calculator. Yes, I do, because I wouldn't be using the calculator if I was in a Why do you think I'm using the calculator? And then she's just like, come on, at this age you shouldn't be using a calculator. Well, tell me why calculators were invented. I mean, seriously, what is the point in mental maths? We got smartphones that all have calculators on them. No smartphone or iPad doesn't have a calculator. If one doesn't have a calculator, I'm pretty sure you got one from the pound store. Frickin' Wilkinson Savers. But I think that's gonna end the maths rage. If you don't like the video, guess what? You die in one day and you have to solve this equation. Teletubbies plus Winnie the Pooh equals x. Calculate the value of x.
I'll freaking get you, I will.
You've been demerited.